Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of blackstrap molasses. And let me tell you, this product right here is the best you can get, Golden Barrel Bulk Unsulfured Blackstrap Molasses. If you're into baking, health supplements, or just looking for something rich in flavor and packed with nutrients, you're going to love this one. Golden Barrel Blackstrap Molasses is a premium product that hails from Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. What makes this molasses stand out is that it's unsulfured, no added chemicals or preservatives, just pure, natural goodness. It's perfect for all your baking needs, whether you're substituting sugar for a healthier alternative or adding a deep, rich flavor to your recipes. What truly sets Golden Barrel's molasses apart is its incredible nutritional profile. It's much more than just a sweetener. This molasses is packed with essential minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It also contains vitamin B6, manganese, and even some fiber. These nutrients are what make it a popular choice for people looking to boost their health naturally. Whether you're trying to manage your iron levels or simply want to get more of these important minerals in your diet, this blackstrap molasses is an excellent addition. The flavor of this molasses is something you won't forget. It has a robust, slightly bitter taste that pairs wonderfully with hearty baked goods like gingerbread, cookies, or even as a base for your homemade barbecue sauce. It's that perfect balance of sweetness and complexity that makes it an irreplaceable ingredient in any kitchen. One of the best things about this product is its shelf life. With proper storage, it lasts for over 3 years. Just keep it in a cool, dry place like your pantry, and you're all set. No refrigeration needed. And with its generous 128 fluid Oz jug, you'll have plenty to last you through multiple baking sessions or health regimens. While the taste and benefits are clear, it's important to note that consuming blackstrap molasses may expose you to certain chemicals like lead and acrylamide, which are known to cause cancer and birth defects in California. However, this is a common warning found on many products, and the nutritional benefits definitely outweigh the risks when consumed in moderation. Whether you're a seasoned baker or someone looking to improve your health naturally, Golden Barrel Bulk Unsulfured Blackstrap Molasses is definitely worth considering. It combines flavor, nutrition, and versatility, making it one of the best blackstrap molasses options out there. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more reviews like this one.